Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. It is Saturday and I'm here at the San Clemente outlet for the weekly South OC Cars and Coffee. Let's go check it out. Starting here at Supercar Row, we see Simon's Camaro, and next to that is James's Camaro. Cool Audi R8 in matte black with lots of carbon fiber and interesting looking top mounted gooseneck wing here. And it's also supercharged. I see VF Engineering supercharger. Yeah, this is nicely done. Then we have, I haven't seen one of these in quite a while. BMW i8. And a nice blue Ferrari F8 Tributo. And next to a red one with a black top. Very nice. Then we have Don Davis's Superlight SLC. Ferrari 488, white with a red interior, nice combo. J Sport GT. Ferrari, more Ferraris, seem to be lots of Ferraris. Another Ferrari here. A McLaren, blue seat, matching blue wheels, crushed carbon fiber. Another 720. Maserati MC20. F430. 991 GT3. I mean, no, Porsche Turbo. Here's the GT3 right here. That's a 991 GT3. Audi wagon. Sorry, California. Oh, nice. Nice green. Huracan Spider. Porsche convertible. AMG. Huracan rear-wheel drive Spider. Aston Martin. Aston Martin Vantage. So, coupe and convertible next to each other. Nice. Lamborghini Technica. Yeah, Huracan Technica. Vintage Lamborghini. Another Lamborghini. 488. Wow, check out this R8. This is a V8 version. Yeah, but it's in wrap. It's highly modified, white wheels, a giant wing. This may be the wing of the week. That's huge. And at the end of Supercar Row, we have the Huracan, nicely wrapped. A few classics here. Classic Ferrari, classic China 7, classic 911, and it's his dad, the Volkswagen Beetle. Oh, check this thing out. My words. It's 1 turbo, 2 turbo, intercooler, all exposed. Wow. It's still like a carburetor style intake. Man, I'm not sure if this thing is finished or is it still a work in progress. I'm gonna assume it's still a work in progress. And the exhaust got no muffler. See, exhaust comes here, goes through the turbo, right out the pipe, and right out here. No muffler at all. So. Well, no, the turbo probably knocks off a lot of noise, so it's probably just under bearably loud. This C7 Corvette Z06, nice blue with red, and he added a C7 ZR1 wing to it. Yeah, that's quite nice. We see all kinds of cars at South OC Cars and Coffee, from soccer mom minivan that's been slammed to the ground all the way to Porsche GT4s and muscle cars. Now here we have a classic hot rod, a Ford Highboy. Check it out. It's got an engine with a supercharger as big as the engine. That's, oh my word. and check it out. Drum brakes. Yeah, drum brakes. Wow. Yeah, I check out the interior, bench seat, and you can see the transmission way down to the floor there. Big tires in the back with no fender, and yeah, I feel like this seat opens up to be a jump seat, you know, for people in the back. And of course, this comes off supposed to be. Not much rear visibility there, and you figure with the amount of gas this thing sucks. This tiny little gas tank here probably has enough fuel to maybe live life a quarter mile at a time. Factory C8 Corvette. Modified factory C8 Corvette. So this is the factory one here, and then this is what you can do when you modify it. First of all, you slam it to the ground. It's on air rides. This is the normal gap. This is what you get when you slam it to the ground. You know, ground clearance, no ground clearance, Lambo doors, body kit, body kit, just normal body kit. And looks like, yeah, he completely wrapped, he even wrapped this area too, which is quite cool. So this completely wrapped, metallic black or metallic gray. And little promotion there, JC Corvette. And they are here as part of the Corvette Club. So you can see it's a Corvette invasion. Corvettes from every single generation. So we got some C6s here, and next to a C8, another C6, and then we have a C7, yeah, and hey, Professor Joe. Yeah, this entire row has been taken over by Corvettes. Look how much space this big American Chevrolet is taking up, and then look how much space this little Mini Cooper is taking up. Yeah. This is the most unusual car here at South OC Cars and Coffee, a Ford tractor. How he got it here, I'm not exactly sure, because I'm pretty sure I don't see any license, and I'm pretty sure this is not legal for road use, but hey, it's here. So let's take a closer look. Wow. Torsion bars. No front brakes at all. I hope this, I guess there's rear brakes. So yeah, there's the brake pedal. There's a little motor is running. Must be the transmission there.
49 8N. My father bought it brand new. It's been in St. Clemente ever since then, except for the 6 years I was in the Navy. A friend of mine has
and check it out. That's so cool. A Ford Mustang being dwarfed by GMC Super Duty Duramax diesel. Oh, what a difference in size. Now, if we had that Mini Cooper here, then we really emphasize the size difference. Looks like the Toyota Tacoma Club is here. Color shifting GTR. Oh, check out this Huracan STO. Very nice. Right, 812. A classic 911 Targa. Huracan. Another 812. Oh, the McLaren Artura. This is the hybrid V6 and electric. 223. 650, and I saw this thing on the road coming here. It's a wide body 911, and I saw it coming from the back, and yeah, it is really wide. Yeah, those fenders, look how wide that sucker is at the back. That's insane. Okay, and then another STO, and an Aventador, and the motorcycles. This is a Vanderhall Venice. And it's a three-wheeler. It's a licensed motorcycle. They're really, really cute, and actually they're quite affordable. Yeah, two-seater. Yeah, the shifter, because you need a helmet because it is like I said, licensed as a motorcycle. Yeah. Here's the back. Even a little fender here. Very nice. So here's the same car, but this is the caramel edition, and it's got the optional top. You know, I don't know why we need the optional top. I guess, yeah, you know, but it's available. And here is the caramel edition without the top. Yeah, and this thing got the shifter on the center instead of off the side. These are so cool. Yeah, I think they'll be perfect for, you know, the summer in Orange County. And this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday. And this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 a.m. to 11. So if you're in the area, come check it out. It's a great show. John Shelvin, JohnSell.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.